Oh my god, y'all. So I finally freaking did it. Like, I cannot. I'm just gonna get straight into the styling tutorial. There will be a full detailed clip video of me describing exactly what's going on with my hair. But let's just get right into this 4C, 4B, mini fro TWA situation. Finally did that big chop. Okay, sis. So, I definitely just have some conditioner and water, of course, in my spray bottle. You guys know how I feel about that. I'm using my Aussie Moist conditioner. I didn't mix it with any oil or anything like that. Just literally water and conditioner. So easy. Get up and go type of thing. I'm literally just massaging this into my hair with my fingers. And then I'm just lightly going to use like a powder brush to kind of make sure that everything is detangled and that my curls are defined. I'm not really going for something super duper defined. I just wanted to make sure that everything was really moisturized and kind of everything's kind of sitting in place. And then that way when it dries, it is just a little bit more uniform than the original afro look than originally. So as you guys can see, my hair is about a 1B. I guess it's like a 1B. It's definitely not a 1. I didn't dye my hair or anything like that, but it definitely is super duper soft. Probably about an inch long at this point. Just like out of the water. I cannot, y'all. I'm so happy right now. I cannot. Anywho, I'm just going through, just make sure all that product is evenly distributed, and then I'm going to allow my hair to pretty much just air dry. I'm not really going to do much to it. This is probably the shortest tutorial I literally have ever done. Like, seriously. I'm just going to go ahead and style up my edges just a teensy tiny bit. Taking some mousse. I was wondering if I should do like a little cute little side part or something like that, but I didn't. Of course, I just styled up my baby hairs, and I did not have this like cut, I guess, in the best way. I know you guys are wondering, like, did you film the big chop? Like, all the details you want to know. I know, sis. I know you want to know. But nevertheless, I just went ahead and kind of just trimmed off some of those excess pieces. I do need to do like an overall reshaping of the curly situation. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm going with. This is just a everyday wash and go without having to literally wash, you know, but you can still go. That type of situation. Once it was mostly dry, I just went through with a what was I about to call this? An afro pick? A pick? Yeah, right? Anyway, just to kind of lift the curls just a teensy tiny bit, and that is pretty much it. Really quick, straight to the point. If you guys are definitely interested in additional products for natural hair and things like that, just comment down below. Leave any questions, comments, all that good stuff. I will definitely be sure to get back with you there. I'm going to leave all the details to what I use in the description box as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, babes. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have not already. I am weak. Look at these curls. Sis, I'm in the house. I cannot. I'm dead. Got your ass. If you already knew about this, and I hope nobody spoiled it in the comment section. I am working with Hergivenhair. You guys know they have the freaking best curly kinky coily units in the freaking world. As you guys can see, they have a strap, elastic band. We doing glueless units all summer, baby. And of course, this is a TWA fro. You guys, I like beg them for this unit because I just really want to cut my hair, and I just cannot bring myself to do it. And this is why. After looking at myself with this short hair, I'm kind of like, girl, no, do not set yourself back like that. We're going to transition and call it a day. So this wig is definitely going to crave, I guess, scratch my itch, scratch my itch. I don't know. Fulfill my craving for short hair while also giving me that natural look. And I can still style it. I can still dye it. Do you guys see how transparent that lace is? If you guys were fooled, like, come on, you owe me $5 at this point. $5 for everybody I fooled. But if you guys definitely caught on immediately, please be quiet. Like, don't tell everybody. Actually, you could tell people in the comments because I'm pretty sure people still going to be fooled. They're not going to believe y'all, okay? Make sure to share this video. Definitely make sure if you purchase the unit, let me know. I want to see what it looks like on you guys. Did you shape it differently? Did you add some color? You can see that there's parting on this unit. You guys, this is freaking perfect. The best thing that I love about this this company, they do have a bunch of different size kinky coily units as well, different textures, just everything. So you can get medium, long, curly fros. Y'all, I love this. If you have not already, make sure to subscribe. Stay pretty, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.